Hey guys, let me show you what I have over here. We have a 2012 Palladium Silver Acura MDX. This MDX has a 3.7 liter V6 engine paired with a 6-speed transmission. Let's take a quick look on the inside. Wait, let me grab the door for you. For starters, the MDX has soft black leather interior, elegant wood trim finish across the dash and doors, along with Acura's Tech Pack already installed. Now, the Tech Pack comes with navigation, Bluetooth, heated front seats, backup camera, AM, FM, XM radio, CD and DVD player, sunroof, and memory seating. There is third row seating as well, making this a 7-passenger vehicle. It also has 17-inch wheels and Acura's Superhandling all-wheel drive system. Right now, the odometer has 74,908 miles, and we are asking for 18 grand. So, being that we live here in Jersey, and we all know winter is down the block trying to bring that snow to our doorstep, come stop by Nutley Kia here at 66 Washington Avenue in Nutley, and ask for myself, Chris Martino, and I'll be more than glad to assist you further. Take care.